Hello, family. I hope you all are feeling good. Thank you so much for clicking my video. I am back again with another wig show and tell, and today's wig is brought to you by Outre. If you are interested in this wig, I will be sure to leave a link in my description box on where you could purchase it from. The wig that I have today is Outre Perfect Hairline 13x6 Lace Frontal Wig in the style Leomie. The color that I have is DRST4/Cocoa Vanilla Melt, and this wig is available in 11 colors. Here's a close-up of the inside cap construction. It comes with a 13x6 lace frontal parting space. Behind the frontal, there are 2 combs in the front with another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. They also inserted a elastic band so you get an extra secure, snug fit. This wig was made on a ventilated cap, so that's good so your hair could breathe underneath. As for the lace is soft, transparent lace. They also said is HD. As for the hair texture, it has a light yaki texture to it, but it also feels a little silky. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. Right here is a close-up on the hairline. The hairline comes pre-plucked and you also get baby hairs. As for the parting space, it comes as a middle part and I'm going to style it as a middle part. Now I'm going to go in with my Andis hot comb and I'm just pressing back the hairline. I also press down the parting space as well to make it nice and flat. Now I'm going to show you guys how I customize the hairline. First, I go in and pluck out most of the baby hairs. I pluck out the baby hairs that's on the forehead all the way down to my temples. After that, I'm going to go in with my tweezers and I'm just holding the hair back and I'm plucking most of the hairline straight back. I'm plucking in random sections until I see a more jagged hairline coming through. Outre already did most of the work with the plucking, so I don't have to do too much depending on how much you would like plucked. But another thing is, you guys don't have to do what I do. I'm just showing you guys what I did so you guys know how I got my end results. But holding the hair down could help you see the dense spots in the hairline. And when you're plucking, make sure you comb out all that shedding hair. And then I'm going to hold down the hair again and go back in and pluck any spots that I feel like I missed. Now that I'm all done styling the wig, I'm going to cut off the extra lace. And to cut off the extra lace, I'm going to go in with eyebrow scissors. I just take the scissors and cut right along the hairline and the front of it. And I make sure to take my time. When cutting off the extra lace, I like to use eyebrow scissors or eyebrow razors. All right. Now it is time for the wig install. And I love the luster on the wig. I don't even have any product on the wig, but the wig looked like it just came out of the salon. So underneath the wig, I'm going to go in with some Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360. And I'm going to apply some of this powder underneath the lace, but it only apply to the spots that we're showing. So that's the parting space and hairline. I like to use that that makeup powder as a lace tint. Right there in the back is where I hooked my adjustable straps, and underneath the wig I am going in with a brown stocking cap. The hairline on the wig is longer than my hairline, so I'm going to go in with my eyebrow scissors and cut off some of that lace by the ear tab. Now I'm going to take my NARS foundation and apply some of this onto a paper towel, just a small pump. That go in with my makeup brush, smudge some of the product off so I don't put too much of the product onto the hairline on the lace, and wipe the rest of the product on top of the lace on the hairline. You do not have to go in with NARS foundation. You can use any foundation that matches your skin tone. Next up, olive oil super hold spray. I'm going to take this spray and spray one layer of this from my ear tab up to my temple just to hold down my lace, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on the warm setting and blow dry until it's completely dry. I make sure to tap like the parts where I sprayed so I can make sure it's nice and flat and it's drying onto the spray. Ooh, Outre, this is cute. I love the color placement. I love the highlights in the front. I love the highlights in the back. I love how the roots fade into the color. This color option is very gorgeous and the style of the wig is very cute. The length of the wig on me, I would say, is about 12 inches. My height is 5'6". As for the hair density, not too thick, not too thin, really nice for every day. I feel like Outre did a nice job with the cut. The layers in the front is really nice, like the way they have it feathered. As for the ends of the hair, the ends come cut really nicely. I'm not too big on the flip ends underneath, but it's okay. I feel like the wig is still cute. As for the luster, like I was saying before, I love how the luster isn't too shiny. Like it has a shine to the wig, but in person it doesn't come off shiny. I don't know if it's coming off shiny on camera as well. But if you have a issue with the shine, you can always go in with dry shampoo that will help dim down the shine. I typed the name of this wig on YouTube to see like other wig bays that did this wig, and I didn't get a chance to watch much of their videos, but each color so far that all these wig influencers are doing is so cute. And I love how when I split the hair in the back, my traction is showing and you can't see my wig cap. When I was styling this wig, I got zero tangling, but it is day one with this wig. As for shedding was on the low side. And check how the hair looks to the back. Man, you cannot tell me this color combo is not bomb.com. What? Love it. I do feel like this wig is big head friendly. I have stretch cap room material left in there, but be sure to check out other wig reviews just in case. If you have a smaller head, I recommend taking the end of the elastic band on the inside and tying a knot, and also crisscrossing the adjustable straps in the nape area. This is one of those wigs, if you're looking for something cute without breaking the bank, and you don't have to do too much work just to look good, then I honestly recommend this wig. It is definitely beginner friendly. Like I said before, you guys do not have to do all the steps I do in the video. I just show you guys what I did so you guys know how I got my end results for anybody that's interested. I like the fact that when I put it behind my ear, it is so cute. I love the behind the ear look out of my face. I love how the layers is just nice and soft. Love it, and I honestly recommend, especially if you're trying to get into the frontal look but you don't want to spend too much on a frontal and you want to get some practice in, this is perfect. And plucking the hairline wasn't hard as well. I love how the parting space is nice and deep. The deeper the parting space, the more realistic a wig look to me. And it comes with a 13x6 frontal, so you could do a few styling options. I did a updo style, and the updo style is really cute. I've seen others have it as a side part. Man, that side part with the deep swept bang is cute. I saw Still Looking Good 58 do it, and oh my god, slayed. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I don't have any cons, really. Do I? Nah, I don't have no cons. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Please hit the like button if this video helped you out or to support your girl. And let me know your thoughts on the wig as well. See you guys later.